afternoon to all of you. I am Azima from the Childhood School along with my fellow mates.
My name is Ishaka. I am Vanshika.
I am Arti.
This is a great excitement and enthusiasm to welcome all of you to the science exhibition and the fun fair of the Childhood School. This exhibition is the celebration of curiosity, learning and discovery. Today I am going to tell you about pollution and my topic is noise pollution. This is our project on pollution, which is describing that how is our environment getting polluted by us. Pollution is the contamination of air, water, soil, which are harmful to living beings. In this project, to create noise pollution, we have used some cars. Those are getting driven by us and they are making noise by using the horns of the cars and also releasing the polluted air. Noise pollution is unwanted or excessive sound which is harmful to human, animal health and can interfere with the daily activities. So, the World Health Organization defines that the noise pollution is a sound above 65 decibels and the sound can be harmful above 75 decibel and it can be painful above 120 decibel. What is decibel? Decibel is the logarithmic unit which is used to measure the sound level. What are the causes of noise pollution? Causes of noise pollution are vehicles like car, bus, motorcycles, etc. Factories, loudspeaker, construction sites, etc. And the solution for the noise pollution are we should plant trees on a large scale to absorb the sound and we should avoid the use of DJs, speakers in a special occasion. Now Vishakha will continue and she is going to tell you about water pollution.
Now tell you about water pollution. This model represents the contamination of water bodies due to human activities. Water pollution affects drinking, marine life and ecosystem. Source of this model: factory discharging wastewater into river, dumping plastic into water bodies, agriculture runoff containing the pesticide and fertilizer. Now its effect that fish and plants in polluted areas that decrease clean drinking water. Now its causes global warming, industries, livestock farming, etc. Solution: proper waste management and sewage plant, promoting the eco-friendly product. Community leads a drive shown with small size figurines. Now Vanshika tell you about noise pollution. Air pollution.
Air pollution is one of the main environmental issues nowadays. There are many reasons behind rapidly increasing this air pollution. Most of the air pollution is caused by automobiles, transport means, industrialization and growing cities. These such gases are dangerous elements like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and methane is causing the whole atmospheric air pollution. Now Arti will tell you about causes, effects and solution of air pollution.
Now I am telling to you types of air pollution. Two types of air pollutants. Primary pollutant directly released, for example, smoke and dust. Secondary pollutant formed when primary pollutant react, for example, smoke. Causes of air pollution. Natural causes: volcano eruption, wildfires, burning of fossil fuel and deforestation. Its effect of air pollution. Environment: global warming, acid rain, plant food trees and human health issues. Allergies, lung